19 minutes after 11, time to check in now with Way 31 meteorologist Rob Elvington.
Rob, you had talked about that second round of storms potentially coming in, so when will that be rolling in?
You know, it's a conditional threat here this afternoon. It really just depends on what happens over the next 3 to 4 hours. If we start to clear out and allow for a little bit of sunshine to break through, make it up to around 70 today for parts of North Alabama. That should do it for that second round, allow for enough fuel to get those storms going. Some of those storms here this afternoon into this evening could be severe, but again, it all comes down to how much clearing we see through this afternoon. It's still pretty cloudy right now in Huntsville, and you'll notice the temperature is still sitting at 56 degrees in Huntsville at the 11 o'clock update, but it's windy out there. Look at those southeast winds at 16 miles per hour, gusting up to around 26, and those winds may also help to break up these clouds a little bit heading into this afternoon. So look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We're not tracking any rain right now. This is actually some of those clouds that are bouncing over the mountains right now, being picked up by our radars. But what we're also keeping a close eye on is the satellite. You'll notice that we're starting to see a little bit of breaks in the visible satellite, and as we start to see that clearing out, that's going to allow for more sun to break through, and that's going to allow for those warming temperatures here through the next 3 to 4 hours. There's what came through earlier today. Look at all that lightning still impacting parts of southeastern Alabama heading into Georgia, but again, that is long gone now, but a lot of clearing off to our west, so still plenty of time to get that second round here today. Look at your afternoon forecast, going with low 70s by 2 o'clock, maybe closer to 3 or 4 o'clock. But as long as we're up to the low 70s before the cold front moves in the late afternoon hours and into this evening, that's still going to give us the fuel for some of those storms to develop. And we are concerned about severe storms. Some of those could produce damaging straight line winds, hail, and even a brief tornado. But again, the greatest risk for today will be for areas further south and east once you get south of the Tennessee River. And that's because you have a little bit more time for those storms to develop before that cold front arrives. So look at future radar, 3 o'clock here this afternoon. You'll notice some breaks in the cloud cover, and you'll also notice that we have developing thunderstorms. We have some activity off to the north, just across the state line into Tennessee, and then we have storms moving into Coleman County. We'll continue to watch these storms moving to the east-northeast. You'll notice this one right here, moving right over top of Gunnersville into Marshall County, and that's one of those areas that has a chance of picking up a little bit more sun than everyone else. This is around 5 o'clock here this afternoon. That could possibly be severe. You'll notice possibly a severe thunderstorm right there, about to cross over into Georgia. We'll continue to watch the storms moving off to the east and northeast, still impacting places like Scottsboro, Jackson County around 6, 7 o'clock. But eventually that cold front's going to shove everything off to the east closer to about 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. And then we're done with the rain. But we will be tracking some cloud cover heading into your Saturday morning. Unfortunately, it looks like a lot of the cloud cover could hang around all day tomorrow. And with all these low to mid-level clouds in place, it's going to be tough to even get up to the low 60s for your Saturday afternoon. But if you look close enough, look on the off to our west, that's the back edge of the clouds. So we are expecting clearing skies by Saturday evening with sunshine returning by Sunday. Look at the rainfall forecast and keep in mind this is on top of what we've already picked up this morning. We picked up some heavy rain, so another 1/4 to 1/2 inch will be possible, especially where any thunderstorms may develop. And this is through 11 o'clock tonight. Stay dry through your Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then you'll notice the map filling in some more heading into Tuesday into Wednesday. That's the next cold front coming in, which also comes with a potential severe threat. This is the latest look at the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. You'll notice that orange right there. It stops right at about Franklin, Colbert, Lawrence County, and that is a 2 out of 5 severe risk. And then the timing for that, it's going to be closer to about late Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. It could be an overnight event, but you notice that yellow with the heavy rain. That's 1 a.m. on Wednesday morning. And then that line of storms races off to east through Sandmount into Georgia. And then we're pretty much done by sunrise on Wednesday. So your 7-day forecast, 71 today. We'll see if we can get there. 62 for a high on Saturday. The spring equinox, that is at 10:33 on Sunday morning. So we'll officially be in the astronomical spring season. It's going to feel like spring on Monday. And you could say it's going to feel like spring on Tuesday because we're going to be in the mid 70s and thunderstorms. We see quite a bit of thunderstorms here in the spring season. Back to you.